Welcome to PayXpert's Tech Talks. Today's topic is the back office and understanding result codes. The PayXpert Backoffice provides comprehensive information about your operations. This includes result codes on each specific operation, for example, your transactions, located in the results column and tables throughout the backoffice. Please note these codes are sometimes also called return codes. The 000 result code always appears in black. It means your operation was processed successfully. When an error occurs during an operation, a red result code will appear in the results column. Scroll over the red number and the corresponding error message appears, with a short description of what has occurred. For more information on result codes and their meaning, search in support.payxpert.com or open a support ticket to get help with a specific issue. That's all for right now on this topic. Please like this video and subscribe to the PayXpert YouTube channel for more great tutorials.